Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel, and today we're actually doing a vlog for basically small things, not full Sunday resets, but just a mini Sunday resets. I needed to change my colors, I needed to do a face mask, and yeah, so now we're about to make breakfast. And can I just tell you, you people need to work hard, because I woke up this morning and I realized if I just pushed as hard as I needed to push, maybe I would have done my part of the bargain in assisting God with putting me into certain places and spaces. But yeah, y'all need to work hard. There's no, like, I can't even emphasize this enough. Work hard, get your own stuff, because the ghetto is real. The ghetto is real. Like, the ghetto is real. People will literally treat you badly for the weirdest things, and it's about time that people put their foot down. But the biggest thing of it all is, don't victimize yourself. Look back at what you could have changed. Look back at what you could have, adjusted, and maybe moving forward, do those things. But one thing take the foot, put it on the neck, like here. Don't let people walk over you. But happy Sunday. Finally, I'm done with this hair, and I think it's so cute, but it's so heavy. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm done. Now tomorrow we need to do our nails.